Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Into this video, I am making toborsoya. If you're craving tteokbokki but want to try something different, give this a try. I am using fresh ingredients. It's super easy. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's get started right now. I am using tomatoes, onion, bell peppers, mushroom, and garlic. I will wash, blend them, and set it aside. You can use any kind of meat you have, but I am keeping it simple and using chicken. I am adding chicken bouillon and black pepper. Feel free to use any kind of seasoning you have. Do you like your tteokbokki or toborsoya spicy? Next, I am adding blended onion and peppers. I am also adding some water. I will let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. I am heating up palm oil. You can also use tteokbokki oil. I am adding the blended mixture to the oil. I will let this cook for 10 minutes. I will also add some seasoning. After 10 minutes, I am adding the water from the steamed chicken. I will let this cook for another 10 minutes. I have some country tteokbokki soda in here. I am adding some water and I will set it aside. I added the chicken. I will let this cook till most of the liquid has been evaporated. I turn the stove off before adding the country soda and the tteokbokki soda. I recommend adding a little bit first. If you need to add more, add more. This is exactly what I was craving. I am having this with some white rice. It's not super spicy. It has just the right amount of spice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Check out the video coming up next. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.